Hi, I'm Cash with CashedOutCars, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to enable these dual high beams on a Mark V Volkswagen regardless of where you are in the world. So this will require one thing, and that one thing that I'm using in this video to enable this is the Carista scanner. Now this is a really cheap scanner that has a lot of cool features, and it's similar to something like a VAGCOM, and it has a lot of those features built in, but it's way cheaper and does the trick. The very first thing to do is to connect your Carista scanner to your car in the OBD2 port and open up the app on your phone. Now this app is super simple to use and it doesn't require any fancy coding, so it's pretty straightforward for everyone to modify their car. The very first thing to do is to go under Instrument, Display, and Dings, and click on that, and change your region to anything that's not the United States, and save it. I chose Germany. Save that, and then you'll go back to your home screen, click on Lights, and scroll down, and you'll see this option for additional high beam with By Xenon. Click on that, and then once you start, it'll be set to No. And then you'll get a warning that pops up that says you have to have your gauge cluster set to somewhere other than the United States. Like I said, you changed it so it's somewhere not the United States, then you could click on it, select Yes, and save it. And that's all you have to do to enable your dual high beams. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. That is it. If you're interested in buying your own Carista scanner and you don't actually have one, I've provided a link in the description below where you could get your own. Please like this video if you liked it, subscribe for more, and I hope you stick around for the next one. Take care.